Tell me something about you, Priyanshi.
Uh, Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. I am Priyanshi Ameta. I belong to Udaipur, Rajasthan. I am currently pursuing BTech in Computer Science and Engineering from Gitanjali Institute of Technical Studies with an aggregate of 70%. I have done my schooling from Central Academy Senior Secondary School with 84% in 10th standard and 68% in 12th. Speaking of my technical skills, that includes C, C++, Python, database, web development, through which I have created functional websites. I have also done various courses from NPTEL as well as Coursera. I have also participated in R2 Hackathon and Smart India Hackathon hosted in our college. Speaking of my extracurricular activities, I am a senior wing cadet at Tenraj BN NCC and have completed my B certificate. I love to dance and I love to play Casio. I belong to a joint family. I live in a joint family with my parents, uncle, and grandparents. And apart from my parents, I have an elder sister.
Okay, why you have chosen NCC?
Sir, actually, I always wanted to be in NCC, but I was not able to take in school because there was not any option in school. So that's
Okay, so you have uh, chosen the option in college, right?
yes, sir.
Any specific reason? No specific reason, or why? I'm just asking you why you want to choose NCC in school as well as in the college.
Sir, actually, my sister was also a NCC cadet, so that fascinated me.
Just to, what you have learned in the NCC?
Sir, first of all, I have learned unity and discipline,
Okay. Apart from
and
that,
apart from that, I have learned about how to wear uniform and how to respect your uniform.
okay. Normally, who has not joined NCC, they don't know how to respect the uniform.
Sir, maybe they must know, but I have I have learned it from the NCC.
Okay. Do you want to go for defense?
Not yet, sir.
Because you want to go for V2 solution.
Sir, initially I want to join a company, then further maybe.
Okay, further, then you may cross your age limit.
Sir, till then I can try.
Till then, for example, how many chances you still have in your hand if you really want to go for defense?
I think 5 to 10.
Okay, what is the maximum age limit for any female candidate if somebody want to go for defense officer rank profile?
Sir, I'm not sure exactly. I don't know, but 26, 25 or 26. Yeah.
चेक करने की आवश्यकता है.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How you are technically in the field of programming?
So if I would have to rate myself, then I would rate myself out of 10, 6.
6. This is your first selection for the final interview, or you have been earlier selected in any company for the final
Yes,
interview or any process?
sir, I have been selected for Gateway for the final interview.
Gateway for the. So why you couldn't crack the gateway process?
Um, I don't know. Maybe on in the last interview I would be lacking in somewhere. That's
Okay. So you don't have any location issues. Wherever we will send you, you can easily move.
yes, sir.
Okay. Or what is your planning after 5 year or 4 year?
So after 5 year, uh, I would I would want to be somewhere where I can do excellent in my field and I can give a good competition.
Okay. Competition to whom?
Others,
Okay. Now you are not giving good competition.
sir, maybe I am giving.
Okay. If I have to ask about your weaknesses, two or three weaknesses, then what do you have?
Mm, I'm a workaholic kind of person. Like if my work is not done, I get little bit stressed, and I'm a short-tempered kind of person, but I'm trying to overcome that.
Okay. Okay. Priyanshi, nice talking to you.
Thank you,
Over to
sir.
Rathod, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Priyanshi. Okay. Okay, tell me why V2 Solutions? What is it about V2 Solutions that attracts you?
V2 Solutions, because the technology on which V2 Solution is working, I think I can go further with that technology and give excellent results. And also, I want to learn new things. So that's why.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah,
Hello.
you can learn new things.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what is that you like about the company as such?
I liked about the company that its headquarters is in California,
Okay. So where is California?
in San Francisco, like USA. Sorry,
It's in USA. And what is the capital of USA?
United States of America.
And what is the capital?
Uh, California.
No, you said you like California. So California is what? A state or what?
California is a state.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what do you like about California?
So it is a beautiful state. That's why.
Okay. Okay. Uh, okay, Priyanshi. The same question I would like to ask, which Arvind sir had asked you. What are your future plans?
So my future plans are, I want to achieve a I want to achieve a place where I can grow and I can showcase best of my skills, and also I can learn things.
Okay, that is of course immediately. Naturally, you are a fresher, so naturally that would be on this thing concern that yes, you want to learn. But what next? That is what I am wanting to ask you.
I would like to grow in my field, and I would like to excellence in that.
Okay. You also said that you are short-tempered.
Yes, sir.
So, what makes you angry?
Like if someone says something to me which triggers me, then I get angry.
Okay. So, next question is what triggers you then?
Like if like I don't accept wrong things. I can't accept wrong things. So if someone says anything wrong or something that which I have not done, but maybe they blame me for that, so then I didn't like that.
Okay. And you said that you are doing something to overcome. What are you doing to overcome it?
Like I don't react immediately. I think myself in my mind that I don't have to react, and that is like that is the trigger which I don't that I have to overcome, and I don't have to react on that situation. So
Oh.
I think myself and I don't react on that.
Okay, Priyanshi. All the best.
Thank you,
Nice
sir.
talking to you.
Thank you, sir.
Is Priyanshi is available? Priyanshi, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. So Priyanshi, what you are preparing for the interview of V2 Solutions?
Ma'am, some basic questions of C, C++, and Python.
You have checked some of basic questions or interview questions that previously were asked in V2 Solution campus interview.
No, ma'am, but I have read some of the questions on Google.
Which questions?
The common basic questions of interview. Hello.
Okay. So, what you have, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So, what you have done in your Python?
Ma'am, I have learned basic Python and I have also created project in Python.
Which project? Explain your project and briefly explain your project.
Okay, I have created a speech to
What you
text
have
and
done in your project?
I have created a speech to text and a text to speech conversion system in Python. So in that, first of all, I
Mhm.
have imported a GTTS library, that is Google Text to Speech API. That is I have to import GTTS that connects to the Google Text to Speech Conversion System API. Then I have imported SR.recognizer that recognizes our that recognizes our voice. And then I have put a if statement that if we will press 1, then it will convert our speech to text. Then I have taken a variable r, that is r is equals to sr dot recognizer. It will recognize our speech, and then uh, it will convert to text, and then it will print our text. Then if we'll press 2, then it will convert our text into speech. So it will take a string from the user. We'll type
Okay.
our will type our uh, whatever we want in the audio, and then Google text to speech will call a function GTTS, and then it will take our input, and then it will convert it into the audio, and it will get saved in a file.
Priyanshi, I told you to be briefly describe about your project, not in detail.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So my next question is, what are local variables and global variables in Python?
Local variables are those variables which can only be used inside a block, and global variables can be used outside the block also.
Okay. And what are Python modules?
Python modules consist of some functions which are used in our Python code. Like some of the modules are OS, like that.
Like that, some of the built-in modules.
Mm, Ma'am, I just remember OS. I'm not remembering right now.
Okay. So you was telling you are very much comfortable with Python.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
But
Okay.
for
So my
now,
next question is, how is memory managed in Python?
ma'am, I have no idea.
No idea.
No.
Okay. So what is the basic difference between list and tuple in Python?
List is mutable and tuple is immutable.
What
List
you
is
mean by mutable and immutable?
Mutable means that it can be changed during runtime, and immutable means that it cannot be changed during runtime.
Okay. So
Yeah.
why people were using mutable instead of immutable?
Because if we want to dynamically change something in our data, uh, then this is more this is more efficient. And if like we don't have to every time go to our code and then add things.
Okay. Is we are using pointers in Python?
No,
Why? It is a drawback of Python or it is an advantage of Python?
it is neither a drawback nor advantage. uh, Maybe we can say that advantage is that python is more python is python pointer is more complicated, so that's why if python doesn't have pointers then it is a good thing. But I've searched on several times, but I didn't get this answer that why python doesn't have pointers. But maybe I think that the concept of pointer is complicated, that's why, because python is an easy language and syntactically easy, that's why.
And when you want to extract some of the feature of pointers, then how would you will be doing in Python?
uh, I think in python there is nothing to do with like memory allocation or deallocation. So
I'm not getting the exact answer from your side. Okay, no issues. What is the difference between call by value and call by reference in C?
in call by value, we just call by the value which is assigned to the variable, and in call by reference the goes to the base address of the variable.
Okay. So Priyanshi, that's all from my side.